Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourself, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to describe about ECLGS 5.0, financial support when businesses need it most, the product offered by Bank of India. In today's fast-changing business environment, maintaining healthy cash flow is one of the biggest challenges for industries, traders, manufacturers, service providers, and large enterprises alike. Temporary liquidity mismatches, delayed receivables, rising operational expenses, and market uncertainties can impact even well-performing businesses. To support enterprises during such situations, the government-backed Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme ECLGS 5.0 emerges as a timely financial lifeline. Through this scheme, Bank of India offers additional working capital support to eligible borrowers so that businesses can continue operations smoothly, protect employment, maintain production cycles, and focus on growth without unnecessary financial stress. The scheme is designed for both MSME and non-MSME borrowers, ensuring broad-based financial assistance across sectors. The campaign image of ECLGS 5.0 reflects the true spirit of India's growth story, from garment manufacturing units and engineering industries to logistics and aviation-linked businesses. It symbolizes resilience, productivity, and the importance of accessible finance in sustaining economic momentum. What is ECLGS 5.0? ECLGS 5.0 is a special emergency credit support scheme aimed at helping existing borrowers meet additional working capital requirements arising from short-term and liquidity mismatches. The scheme provides eligible businesses with faster access to finance backed by government guarantee support through NCGTC. The objective is simple yet powerful, helping businesses stay operational, stable, and growth oriented during financially demanding periods. Purpose of the scheme. The primary purpose of ECLGS 5.0 is to provide additional working capital support to address temporary liquidity shortages, to ensure uninterrupted business operations, to strengthen financial stability of enterprises, and to support industrial productions, employment, and economic activity. The scheme acts as a bridge during periods when businesses require immediate financial support for operational continuity. Eligibility criteria. The scheme is available for both MSME and non-MSME borrowers fulfilling the following conditions. Eligible borrowers is MSMEs and non-MSME business entities. Mandatory conditions. Existing fund-based working capital limits should be in standard category as on 31st March 2026. Borrower accounts should not be classified as NPA on the date of sanction or disbursement. This ensures that genuine and operational businesses receive timely assistance. Quantum finance. One of the major highlights of the ECLGS 5.0 is the substantial financial support available under the scheme. Loan amount. Maximum assistance up to Rs 100 crore per borrower. Exception applicable for airline sector as per scheme norms. This large funding support makes the scheme highly beneficial for medium and large operational requirements. Key features of the scheme. 1. Nil margin requirement. Borrowers can avail assistance with nil margin requirement except airline sector, reducing upfront financial burden. Number 2. Competitive interest rates. The scheme offers highly attractive interest rates. For MSMEs, RBLR plus 0.75%, maximum capped at 9% per annum. For non-MSMEs, MCLR plus 0.75%, maximum capped at 9% per annum. This ensures affordable access to emergency funding. Attractive features of the scheme. Number 3. No additional financial burden. The scheme significantly reduces borrowing cost through nil processing charges, nil prepayment penalty, and nil other charges. This borrower-friendly structure makes the facility extremely cost-effective. Security structure. The loan is secured through charge on existing primary securities, charge on collateral securities, charge on assets created from ECLGS loan proceeds. This structured approach helps ensure smooth credit support while maintaining banking safeguards. Government guarantees support. One of the strongest pillars of ECLGS 5.0 is government-backed guarantee coverage through NCGTC. Guarantee coverage. 100% guarantee coverage for MSMEs and 90% guarantee coverage for non-MSMEs. Additional benefit, nil guarantee fee. This substantially reduces risk perception and encourages easier flow of credit to deserving businesses. Why ECLGS 5.0 matters for businesses. In difficult financial periods, liquidity becomes the backbone of survival and growth. Businesses often face challenges such as delayed customer payments, seasonal fluctuations, increased operating costs, supply chain disruptions, working capital pressure. Why ECLGS 5.0 matters for businesses? ECLGS 5.0 helps businesses navigate such situations confidently by ensuring access to affordable and timely credit support. For manufacturing industries, it can help continue production cycles. For exporters and logistics companies, it can maintain operational continuity. For MSMEs, it can help preserve jobs and maintain market competitiveness. Ultimately, the scheme supports not just individual enterprises but also the broader economy. Role of Bank of India. Bank of India, with its strong nationwide presence and long-standing banking legacy, continues to support entrepreneurs, industries, and enterprises through customer-focused financial solutions. Under ECLGS 5.0, the bank aims to provide faster financial assistance, flexible repayment support, transparent processing, affordable credit access, and strong institutional support for business continuity. The scheme reflects the bank's commitment toward economic growth, industrial development, and financial empowerment. Key highlights at a glance. ECLGS 5.0 snapshot. Financial support for MSME and non-MSME borrowers. Purpose additional working capital assistance. Maximum finance up to rupees 100 crore. Nil processing charges. Nil prepayment penalty. Nil guarantee fee. Competitive interest rates. Government-backed guarantee support. Support for liquidity management and operational continuity. Conclusion. ECLGS 5.0 is more than just a credit facility. It is a confidence building financial support mechanism for businesses facing short term liquidity challenges. By combining affordable interest rates, government guarantee backing, flexible terms, and simplified cost structure, the scheme provides a strong foundation for enterprises to continue operations and focus on future growth. In an economy driven by resilience, entrepreneurship, and industrial momentum, such timely support schemes play a vital role in strengthening businesses across sectors. Bank of India's ECLGS 5.0 initiative stands as a meaningful step toward empowering enterprises when they need financial support the most. Disclaimer. This write-up is intended purely for informational and educational purposes only. Loan sanctions, eligibility, interest rates, guarantee coverage, and other terms are subject to bank policies, government guidelines, NCGTC norms, and applicable scheme conditions revealing at the time of processing. Borrowers are advised to contact their nearest Bank of India branch for complete details, updated guidelines, and eligibility assessment before availing the facility. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe, and share.